Hey beautiful people, Madame Sophy here again to do another eyeshadow tutorial. This time I am going to be doing a Christmassy inspired eyeshadow tutorial. If you'd like to see how I came up with this fabulous Christmassy look, please stay tuned. Also, if you're new to the Madame Sophy channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. And I surely welcome you to my channel. Thank you for taking time out of your day to tune in, and thank you for your constant support here on this channel. Okay guys, now for this Christmassy inspired look, for the very first time I went ahead and I used my new palette by Juvia's Place. This is the Afrique by Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. This was actually my very first time using this eyeshadow palette. I really love the fact that this eyeshadow palette had basically most of the colors that I would need for this Christmassy look. So in addition to using this eyeshadow palette, I went ahead and I used my Makeup Revolution Pro Regeneration Trends Mischief Max eyeshadow palette, and the only color I use in this eyeshadow palette is going to be this red color, which is called Halftime. The reason I use this red color is in the Afrique eyeshadow palette, you have deeper tones of reds in there, well, maroons I would say, and I just needed something that is more of a true red, so that was why I went into the Revolution Pro eyeshadow palette. But majority of the eyeshadow shades I used to create this look was from this eyeshadow palette. The pigmentation in this eyeshadow palette is amazing. I did not have any problems with the way the colors applied. I didn't have to go in really hard with my brush. Everything just worked out really fine. The textures of the eyeshadows in this eyeshadow palette is of a buttery consistency. When I was using the matte colors, I did not get much kickback, which is really good. Normally I get a lot of kickback from most of the eyeshadow palettes I would be using, but I did not have this problem with this eyeshadow palette. Everything just blended seamlessly. Now, in addition to using the Juvia's Place Afrique eyeshadow palette, I went ahead and I used two of my loose glitters, my cosmetic loose glitters from JCat Beauty, JCat Cosmetics, or JCat Beauty, whatever you want to call it. I went ahead and I used the cool silver color, and I also went ahead and used this King's Rose color. I recently purchased this shade of Ulta Beauty online, and I didn't know there was a red in this line. I'm actually surprised that there's a red in this line. So that's what I used on my eyes. In addition to that, I went ahead and I primed my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color Tan Sand, and I also used the color C10 from Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Apart from that, for my lips, I went ahead and I used two lip colors for this look. I went ahead and I used the infamous Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the color Uncensored, and to line my lips, just for lining my lips, since this look is not really on too much on the red side but more on a deeper tone of red, I wanted to have a deeper shade lined with my lips. So I went ahead and I used the Tartest, the Tarte Cosmetics Tartest lip paint, and this is in the color Acid Wash. So this was what I used on my lips. Now for foundation today, it's going to be the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation, and this is in the color 211. Apart from that, I went ahead and I used my Airspun loose face powder to set my face today. For contouring today, I went ahead and I used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the color C17. Apart from that, I went ahead and I used the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color Tan Deep Sand for my under eye area and nose. For highlighter today, I went ahead and I used my Maybelline Master Chrome metallic highlighter in the color Molten Rose Gold, as well as Molten Gold. Apart from that, I also went ahead and I used my Juvia's Place Nubia loose highlighter to wrap things up. Alright, so this is the final look I was able to come up with. I really hope that you guys liked this Christmassy look. I added a little silver specks in there, added a few red specks in there. I just didn't want my look to be too much like an Italian flag, because the Italian flag colors are red, white, and green. Yes, I didn't want my eyeshadow to look too much like that. So that's why I felt the need to add the silver in there. And the silver kind of made it look like a Christmas ball, a Christmas tree ball, Christmas tree ornament. And I really liked that shimmery look that it gave. So yes, indeed, this palette, the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place is going to be indeed Sophy approved. I hope that you guys liked this eyeshadow tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Till then, that's going to be it for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. If you're new to the Madame Sophy channel, thank you for tuning in, sweetheart. You gotta be part of the Sophia's Mix by hitting that notification bell, and you gotta be part of the Sophia's Mix because you are a sophisticated lady. Yes, indeed, you are. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Thanks again for tuning in because you could have been elsewhere. And again, don't forget to be you. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. And don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys. Yes, we were going to do a close-up. So let me get my close-up face on.